How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Sometimes, Snapchat temporarily disables accounts for security reasons. Wait for about 15 to 20 minutes and try logging in again. If you're using Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data or vice versa. This can help if Snapchat detects unusual network activity. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off and then attempt to log in again. Then ensure that your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. On Android, go to Settings and Apps. Then, go to Snapchat and Storage, then Clear Cache. Uninstall and reinstall the Snapchat app to clear any corrupted data. Now, visit websites like Down Detector to check if Snapchat servers are down. If none of the mentioned steps work, contact Snapchat support for further assistance. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.